The Mediterranean diet meal plan remains at the forefront of healthy diet options, and the U.S. News and World Report declared it the best diet of 2019. You need to shop fruits, vegetables, nuts, fish, and olive oil to get a Mediterranean diet meal prep. When on the Mediterranean diet, foods you must avoid include red meat and sugar. For this video, we will talk about the top 6 health benefits of the Mediterranean diet plan. Number 6. Reduces risk of heart disease. Mediterranean diet receives praise for many abilities, but correcting chronic ailment is the most famous one. In a moment, we will be discussing cancers, diabetes, and cognitive decline. However, cardiovascular disease is high on the list of benefits, and a high-fiber diet rich in olive oil and fish is beneficial to heart health. Long-term and short-term research has proven that people who take the diet seriously are least likely to get a stroke or a myocardial infarction. A total of 4 years on a diet can clear you of all chronic diseases your whole life. Also, the chances of recovering completely from heart disease while on the Mediterranean diet are pretty high. Number 5. Manages the risk of type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is the type of diabetes resulting from a poor diet. Staying off processed and fried foods has a direct advantage in preventing diabetes. If you are already managing type 2 diabetes, the Mediterranean diet is beneficial. If you adapt your lifestyle and start eating healthier and exercising more, you could reverse the metabolic state of type 2 diabetes. Also, having type 2 diabetes means your body does not produce enough insulin to regulate your blood sugar. So, a diet that boasts of vegetables and other whole food plant-based meals is the best choice for anyone who wants to prevent, control, or reverse type 2 diabetes. Since diabetes prevention and weight loss are an excellent pair, we will be discussing the results of the Mediterranean diet in the area of weight loss and management later in the video. Do stay for that. Number 4. Preserve memory and cognitive decline. Dementia and Alzheimer's disease are caused by inflammation in the brain. These two diseases are a significant concern for people in their old adult years. However, there is some hope for people who enter old age on the Mediterranean diet. The foods on a diet are brain healthy and can help you score high on any cognitive test. Furthermore, all the foods on a diet reduce inflammation. So consequently, it improves memory in adults. Younger adults who suffer from retentive memory disease are also encouraged to eat a healthy diet. The rates of depression among young people have increased since the conversation about mental health became more open. While we discuss memory and cognitive preservation for the old, we have some information on how the Mediterranean diet can prevent depression coming up shortly. Neurodegeneration, delay as a function of the Mediterranean diet, is assured by research conducted by the Journal of the American Geriatric Society. If we were you, we wouldn't wait till I am too old to start a diet that could aid me in old age. Here is an excellent opportunity to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more health information and videos about healthy eating. Number 3. Ease depression. The day we found out that the Mediterranean diet helps with depression, we were Googling all the Mediterranean diet recipes. The diet corrects memory decline and improves endorphins in the brain. People who have been on the Mediterranean diet have a lower chance of depressive relapse. Studies found that extra virgin olive oil and nuts are the secret ingredients that ease depression. Having comfort food for the days you feel depressed is one of the best things to ever surface on Earth. Feed your mood and get better. Number 2. Prevent some cancers. The National Cancer Institute projects that close to 39% of the population would experience some cancer in their lifetime. This statistic is scary, and even for people who do not have any high risks, prevention could be ideal. Adding a healthy diet to your care plan against cancer is an intelligent choice. Similarly, studies from over 83 sources have confirmed that people on the Mediterranean diet are less likely to develop cancers. Additionally, those on a diet have the lowest risk of dying from any cancer, especially colorectal cancer. Cancer does not end at losing your hair. The effect is excruciating, and the medical care is expensive. Millions of families are impacted negatively by cancer every day. Wouldn't you rather eat healthy than suffer this? Comment below if you or someone you know has experienced any form of cancer. Number 1. Weight loss and maintenance. The focus on the whole. Fresh foods means that you are likely to lose weight safely. Calorie-restricted diets have been criticized for making participants crave sugar and processed snacks. A diet that does not restrict calorie count, but encourages natural calories, has a better chance of proper weight loss if combined with the correct physical exercise. A high-fiber diet like this is one of the ways to eat smaller and break down unsaturated fats. The lower waist area benefits from this diet than a low-fat diet. Some diet participants add calorie restrictions to make the effects of their weight loss more dramatic. What other benefits do you know of the Mediterranean diet? Please share your thoughts on it in the comments below.